Chat out hell and don't realize the time. Hi guys. Oh, okay, Trey. Okay, you could come over a little bit.
And it's Tuesdays with Tricky, not Tuesdays with Jodi
Jodi's
and her
big
Chiquita
head.
outfits.
What are you talking? I love a Chiquita outfit. Just stop it, okay? Are we there? Is everything okay now? Jeez, I'm always come over some more. See, I told you Jodi would say something about super late. Look, the whole of the panty is showing in the thing. All right. All right, let's sort out the panty.
Hi,
all right,
ladies.
are we set up now? All right, everybody. All right. This is enough drama for now. Tracy and I were busy chatting and didn't notice the time. Well, all our Susanna gossip.
I know we had a little fight, but anyway, it's fine now.
All right, we did have a little fight. All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for an hour of fun, frolic, and foolishness.
Yeah, yo.
I love having a tagline. I feel so special.
I know.
You know what I mean?
I know.
You feel like, you know, when you're coming through the door.
Like you feel like cheers.
Yes.
Yeah.
I was just about to say when you're coming through the door and everybody's just like,
someone's waiting for you. Like you just know where you're there.
Yeah.
No
Like
idea.
this is where you're to come to.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, Win. Hello, everybody. Okay, so we have a couple things to talk about. So when I said to Tracy, I was like, Trey, do you have something you want to talk about today? Blah, 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 blah. Tracy's
Boyaka, this juice are gonna make me talk about the things them.
Wow.
I just brushed my teeth, so I have to get really used to the flavor, because you know what happens when you brush your teeth and then you eat or drink?
Oh, we got Lady B mixology now. This is a peach lychee haven with whiskey. This is so good. So I'm going to be saving mine because I'm still on my diet.
Oi!
Yeah, just leave the black baggie. I didn't realize that I had to.
This is strawberry
be sitting.
spring rose made with tequila, my favorite liquor. And that will really make me talk the thing them.
Ooh.
That's nice, eh?
Mm-hmm. Oh, Lady B, always on point. It's margarita, Tracy. It's a margarita.
It's a margarita.
Oh, that's on my shirt. All right.
This will taste nice with some salt on the rim.
Ah, yes. You have to pay attention to the rim. So I said to Trey, happy birthday, Fitz.
No, it's not Fitz's birthday.
Oh, sorry. On birthday to Fitz. Okay, so I said to Tracy, I was like, do you have stuff to talk about today? She's like, yes, I have things to talk about. Customer service. So I'm just going to hand the black baggie over to Tracy for her to talk. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. So anyways, I just want to say that I am so glad to see so many women pivoting in these COVID times, or not just women, men, whoever, pivoting in these COVID times and starting to go into the beauty industry. And they are starting to do a lot of jobs within the beauty industry and other jobs within the customer service industry where they directly have to sell their products to other people. And I just want to say, after 16 years of being a hairstylist, I retired and will no longer be hairstyling because of having to deal with the customers in customer service.
Some customers.
And I just feel like some customers were very unrelenting, unforgiving. They didn't understand, like when I charged a certain price, it was always, oh, I'm charging too much, or oh, this hair is out of place, this one strand, or like, you know, a white woman coming to me asking for an afro, like asking me for the impossible task, and then when I can't do it, I'm a bad hairstylist, or oh, I left this one hair undone, and you know, clients trying to book me solid for one day, like 9-10 clients in a day doing 4 or 5 highlights. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, people just really thought that I was some type of magician that could be stretched beyond the parameters of natural human capacity.
Or my favorite was when they brought in a picture and you did the picture, but it doesn't look exactly as a picture because they're not the same complexion.
Because it's not the face.
They don't have the same type of hair. They don't have the same type. But Tracy's like, you wanted highlights framing the face. I've given you that. You wanted them in butterscotch. This is it. The back or whatever. And the lady, some of the stories were crazy.
It was really crazy. And, you know, all of y'all that are going into the new customer service industry, especially in the beauty industry, I say, God go with Uno, and I hope that you are not one of those clients who stressed out your beauty professional, or one of those clients that was totally impossible to please. And I hope that karma comes to find you. That's all I hope, because Jano, it was the amount of days that I came home crying from work, or I can't even count. And it was just, or the amount of days. Remember when I was living with you and I would fall asleep in my clothes, shoes, and Sean had to come and take off my shoes one day, and he was like, "How you make your sister go so?" Yeah, it was just a lot, you know. So
people expect beauticians to be magicians in some cases, and there's a lot of like entitlement, and people are just unfair. They're just unfair, and it's like, you know, it's you're asking somebody to do something with it that Tracy can do. I find that she's a very talented hairdresser. But Tracy was like, I just want people to sit down in my chair, show me your picture, let me do your hair, and I don't want to have to talk to you, and I don't want to have to deal with you, and I don't want to have to hear your constant complaining and your, oh, can you cut this a little it's a little too short now. It's like, but you showed me the picture to hair and I cut it to hair.
Yeah. It was a very difficult job. And you know, I just want to say God go with all of you, and I hope that, as I said, that
somebody said they gave up, they couldn't manage mentally.
I couldn't. It was so hard. It was such a hard job. Like, if Stevie ever says to me, I want to be a hairstylist, you know, I thought about it the other day. I'm gonna have two minds about it, because I really want to encourage her to go along her path and find out what is for her and whatever. But being in the role of a hairstylist and knowing that job, like, I would have to deter her from that. Like, it was so
Look at the price comment.
traumatizing. Oh, and the price, like, so you will go away to Miami to get your hair cut done, and they do like some crappy blow dry, and you will pay like $300 for
because
that.
It's in Miami.
But yeah, when I come out here and I'm charging all of my like $50 US, it's like, oh, she's expensive, oh, all of this. And it's just like, you know, I have to spend my time and talent, my time to go to all of these road shows in LA and learn all of these techniques and buy my Dyson blow dryer and Japanese blade scissors, and y'all don't want to pay for that. Y'all don't want to pay for that.
You don't want to pay for it out here. But yet when you go overseas, I find a lot of people are easier to part with their money overseas and then may not really complain or say something. But when you're out here, it's, no, this is not good. No.
And I
remember bringing down the products. Jamaican is right. When you bring down the same products that you want to use in your fancy salons here, you use it here. Oh, what am I use that for? That not gonna work.
And I mean, like, I know that I'm talented, and I know I do good work, because so many companies came to me to ask to be their rep, and it was very, very hard for me to say yes to any of them, because I was like, you're not gonna get that, you're not gonna get that, you're not gonna do these things what the clients are gonna pay for. And it was very hard. So, you know, I mean, y'all want to go and pay for oodles and oodles of dollars for all of this food that you're literally going to like do out the next day, but like you don't want to pay for service that's going to last you for a couple months. A haircut lasts you, coloring lasts you, relaxing lasts you. You don't want to pay for that, but you're ready to pay for some buttered up chicken, like, you know.
Okay, all right,
sorry.
we're good. So Tracy has gotten this off of her chest. She's good now. She's gotten this off her chest. We just have to let Tracy, you know, sometimes she just gets in her little groove. Just drink your drink. Yeah. C'est pas passé. You know, just ease yourself. All right. So we do know that customer services, and we're not just saying customer service in Jamaica, but she was giving her, she was telling her experiences and the things that she's gone through, what she's heard, and, you know, just the prices that she knows people who are easily part with abroad, but yet here it's like always an issue, and your friends always want a discount when it's your friends that are supposed to be the ones supporting you. Anyway, okay. Oh, wait. All right. So now we want to talk about verses. So I did see somebody saying about the Tracy Ellen Ross conditioner. I do use that, and I do think it's excellent. So I just had to comment on you there. We wanted to big up Miss Chin, who is in the hospital industry. I want to big up all of our nurses, all of our doctors. A lot of them are out sick right now. If you notice, a letter has gone on saying that if you're not having an emergency, don't go to the hospital because they're very short staffed. So I just want to big up all of the staff in the hospital industry. I know it's very hectic for you
Miss
right
Chin,
now.
anyway you're there,
Yeah.
brush off your shoulder.
Yeah. Brush off your COVID.
Anthony?
Yeah, brush off.
Hey.
Whoa. Careful, keep that in. Whoa.
Hey.
Oh, this is PG-13.
Yeah, like you said, them stand still.
Yeah, all right. Yeah. Careful.
Yeah, so we're doing the versus.
Okay, so we have iPhone versus Samsung. So I'm a iPhone user.
I used to be a Samsung user until Scott made me get an iPhone.
But I don't understand. So Samsung has a really good camera. I like
it
when.
has so many great features that are feature friendly. That are user friendly. Sorry.
Like what?
Like their camera is much better.
In terms of the qualities, but I don't understand why Apple can't make the camera better.
No, they can't.
They can't?
No, they can't.
But I find iPhone is more user friendly because it connects to my laptop.
Right,
it
that's why Scott wanted
TV.
me to get an iPhone because he is the one that uses all the technology in the house.
Right, so
if
he'd be
anything
able to easily fix it.
Right. Where I liked a Samsung because it was like more...
Winsome uses a Samsung. She loves her Samsung.
Yes, I love the Samsung too.
Oh. Hell is breaking loose downstairs.
Did you guys hear her?
Warning.
I thought it was Stevie. Why is she crying like that?
Bro is home. She's had to put up her iPad now because Bro is home. No iPad.
Oh.
Remy's at home. Alright. The Galaxy is nice. I think I'm gonna stay with BlackBerry. Oh gosh, you remember the BlackBerry?
Rastanisha.
I love a BlackBerry. Ayo.
I like the ball in the middle. It was so soothing.
And then when
Click,
the
click,
ball,
click, click,
when
click.
they took away the ball, it was like, we're like, well, how is it gonna work?
Yeah.
And every time it starts, you have to take out the battery and just working again.
Yeah.
Okay, another versus. Okay, here's a big one. A vacation versus a house upgrade.
I'll take a house upgrade, but I'm a house rat, so I love a house upgrade.
Okay, so then I will play the
vacation role.
Yes.
Okay.
So I feel like, and Sean and I had this argument the other day, where you kind of need self-care. So I feel like a vacation, I'd be like, okay, Sean, instead of, this would be a hard one to make though. Okay, but I'm vacation. I feel like I need to work on my relationship. I feel like I need a break. I feel like I need to work on certain things with my husband. So I feel like a vacation would be very important.
What you working on with your husband over vacation?
The rim. Rim work.
I think that if you need to, I think that the vacation versus house upgrade, I think it's a discussion that is really something that you need to have with either your partner or yourself, depending on who you live with, and really speak to what it's going to make you happy in the long run. Because sometimes, as you're saying, a vacation is what is needed in maybe for your partnership, or maybe it is needed for your mental capacity. So if it is a vacation that you need right now, I would say take it. But if it's something that you don't necessarily need and you're looking for something that you're going to make you happy in the long run, I would definitely say go with a house upgrade, because look at these COVID times where vacations haven't been that easily accessible.
Lie you a tell. It ain't accessible for you. Okay, you haven't been able to go. Okay, I am taking my vacation and I'm going to go and feed the giraffes at the breakfast table in South Africa.
Okay.
You take a bathroom upgrade. Somebody was saying you could vacation in your home upgrade. I feel like I'd want to take the home upgrade too, but I just feel like right now, especially around mental spaces, I would love a vacation.
Right now, I just look for the home. I just look for the home.
All right.
Just look for the home. So I'll take the vacation right now because right now I don't have no home to upgrade.
Okay, a vacation. All right. Here's another one. So I saw where there was a little argument. I believe that Cardi B brought it up. So BBL versus veneers. BBL.
I would definitely say BBL. Like, I'm not messing with my teeth, but then I have God blessed given lovely teeth. Like, I have...
Wait, what? You think your teeth are that nice?
Yes. I've never worn braces.
Okay, your top.
Stop looking at my raggedy bottom. I see your eyes.
Yeah,
Okay.
but your teeth include the whole mouth, Tracy. You can't
what is wrong
exclude
with
your
my-
bottom teeth.
I just don't find that.
Your bottom teeth look like they're at a baseball game.
You're so terrible. I'm just not going to mash it. Okay, you said veneers, not braces. Okay, I could use that. If I put braces on the bottom, I can put braces on the top too. That's what the dentist said for them to line up.
Okay, so but
I'm
it's
not
not braces,
doing it.
it's veneers. You'd get veneers like you'd wake up and you'd be like, hi.
Lad, no.
But veneers don't have to look like that. Veneers can look really nice. Like somebody thought I had in veneers. They were like, what size do you have? I was like, what?
I could definitely do a teeth white.
All right, well, I'm not even arguing with that. I am taking the BBL for sure.
I could definitely do a whitening.
And I think, I think the argument that was had that
Honesty.
Cardi B brought up was once you get the BBL and you sort out your body and you catch one man because you look good, then you can make him pay for your veneers because you would just be like, hey baby, what's up? I love you. And then like after him buy you the good teeth and you can like, hey baby, what's up? I love you.
After that's what you're doing to the man for making buy you something. Him not go on you have no teeth, him just want you have gums alone.
For the rim.
Yeah.
Okay. BBL because my teeth are pretty perfect. Veneers make them look like a hungry donkey. Who's Cardi B? Cardi B? Cardi B the rapper?
I just
think
lose
she
all of
put
the
out
air
a
in my
tweet.
body.
Cardi B was the one that put out the tweet.
Who wrote that about hungry donkey?
I don't remember.
No. Who wrote that about hungry donkey? I just lost all oxygen in my body.
Not Slimmers.
I wasn't him. No,
It doesn't look natural. I find that so
yeah.
Cardi B has the best ones. I feel like veneers are better than the caps. So the caps are cheaper, and what the caps do, they don't file down your teeth. They just stick on something on top.
Go to the dental studio if you'd like to find out about those things. But what's the next?
We're not even fine. White rum versus tequila.
Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Party over here. Ooh, ooh.
Party over there.
Ooh, ooh. Party over here. Ooh, ooh. Party over
I
here.
keep pointing over there though. The one place has a party here and there. I kept pointing over
I found
here.
it's a closet. Party everywhere.
Okay, alright.
Party everywhere. Woo, woo.
Party over there. My top, the whole outfit is from. Well, let me stand up and show.
So white rum versus tequila.
Tequila.
What we saying?
I don't know. No, white rum because of the price points.
It's even right now. It's even. Oh, tequila's in the lead. Tequila's in the lead.
White rum is cheaper though. You can just.
Rastanisha said none. Rastanisha.
What is BBL? Body Brazilian butt lift. Body butt lift.
Tequila is in the lead. Tequila is in the lead. Anybody else saying white rum?
Tequila. White rum. I guess tequila has like a more refined taste. The white rum is just drunk and done, straight to the rim. The tequila is more like drink, dance, then rim.
Yeah. I like both of them. Those are my two liquors of choice, tequila or white rum. I guess the white rum does have a different flavor
It's
profile.
very strong. It's very strong. Whereas
I like white rum when you mix it with like a Scotch bonnet, Lady B.
Yeah, when she mixes it, it's nice. Or like you mix it with some Magnum.
Wait, hold on.
That's what Spice had me drinking when my bestie had me on her show. I drank white rum and Magnum.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm very serious.
What's Spice going with?
Spice are going with bare things.
She is so funny. Oh, since we're talking about Spice.
It didn't work, the color coat.
Since we're talking about Spice, with she and Shensia, where they were, who's the queen of dancehall, and the fight was going on between she and Shensia. You know what I really loved?
What?
When Ramesh came in with the comment, the two of them do them work, argument, or something. He said something like the two of them do them work and deserve their place, argument done. And I was like, yo, I rate Ramesh.
Yeah,
like,
I find that
through the roof on so many levels, but that one made him just go astronaut style for me, because
I find that the genre is so
The genre?
broad. Yeah, in terms of what you can sing about, how your videos can look. It's so artistically creative, and there's a space for everybody. I don't think that it needs to be one particular person on the top. This is a queen, this is a king, and that's it, that's final. That's not how it goes.
Unless it's Beanie Man and you just sing a song that goes number one. Me the king of the dancehall.
But he also has his doctorate, like, you know, but in all honesty, I don't think it's funny. I don't think it's healthy. I don't think it's right to pick. And then even if we pick a queen, right? I don't know. It's something
that's so different in flavor.
It's like interpreted so differently.
Like it's picking a king of liquors. Like you can't do that because some people don't like red rum. You can't pick red rum as a king of liquor.
No, you can't.
You can't pick white rum. You can't pick champagne because I don't like champagne. So you can't pick that. You know, so I feel like it's like that.
Yeah, you can't. Yeah. So, and I do want to commend everybody in this space because I definitely feel like everybody has their crown and everybody has their space.
Exactly. And you know what I love? As Fitz said, I loved how Shensi and North Spice responded to it because
there's no need to respond.
Yeah.
True queens don't respond to crap, okay?
Yeah.
So
I love it. That's why I love both Shensia and Spice. Cheers! To the ladies!
to the ladies! Someone says, why can't we like both? We are liking both.
We're liking both. Just how we're liking.
No, she was just saying like a general. Why we can't like both? Why is everything a competition? Like I don't like
everything
that.
nowadays is a competition.
Did you hear what she just sang? She's throwing words.
True said them just cancelled the Olympics a couple years ago. Them want competition. Bad. Them out for it.
Why don't I like champagne?
No, it's me. I don't
Venero, hello. So I prefer a Prosecco over a champagne.
You're drinking like 19 bottles of that. Nobody can afford that.
Yes, I am on my diet. I'm just wetting my tongue. So by the time it reached my throat back, the calorie monster just nyam it off. So don't worry. So just wet my tongue.
I'm not on a diet.
Alright?
Let me taste it.
Calories, so good. So I don't drink off mine. I have a plan at the end of my diet. Jodi, you drinking too much? The little sip when we take. Jeez,
Wow.
I love champagne too, but it's very expensive for the amount that I
don't like how it tastes. It tastes bitter. Prosecco tastes so much better.
Prosecco. Well, it depends on what brand you go
Prosecco is
from.
from Spain, so of course I'm going to like it.
All right, here we have another versus. So we have TikTok versus Instagram.
I don't even have TikTok. I don't know how to use it, so.
So I'm like, oh, I left my water downstairs. Thank you so much. I forgot my water. Okay. TikTok versus Instagram. I find that, and I've been seeing it a lot more now, like the younger generation, like what do you call them? Gen M? Gen G, the really, really young kids, they are into TikTok. Whereas the older persons, the persons who, you know, like, I guess we're old, we are more Instagram. Because even when I have like, you know, when we're looking on the friends page, Levi has a girlfriend. She's 17. And I was like, hey.
Yeah, how you know she going to want you to call her Levi's girlfriend?
Okay,
she
Levi's friend. No, she didn't claim it.
She claim it?
No. Okay, Levi's older friend. I had to try and find her.
So it's just a forced relationship.
Friend.
She's not, how old is she?
I think she's in high school. She's like 16, 17.
I think she's.
So I found her on Instagram to be like, hey, you know, Levi has a message for you, and they send back pictures and messages to each other. And I'm looking at her page, and she has 3 random pictures. She doesn't update the pictures, but I'm sure if she had a TikTok, she'd be over there like doing all the stupid little dances.
Yeah. She's hot though.
She's hot.
Levi's girlfriend.
Friend. Levi's friend.
Her name would sound nice. Last name for me.
See, they know. Anna says CC. IG all day. I like IG better too.
I don't know her.
Facebook versus MySpace.
Whoa. I mean, I think everybody.
I was never on MySpace though. No.
Anyways, I have a story about MySpace. MySpace came out when I was in university, right? And it was hot. So, of course, I have like a MySpace account. And to be honest with you, I've never been much of an internet person or a technology person. Like, never. So anyway, I had a MySpace account. But it never blame and it never like sought out or nothing. So, I was in university and I became friends with this one girl, and she told me that she thought her man was cheating on her. So I was like, oh, that sucks. So she used my MySpace account to catch her cheating man. And so she would talk to her boyfriend from my MySpace
You
account.
had MySpace or High Five?
I had MySpace.
I never had one.
And she would talk to her boyfriend from my account. So anyway, she set up a date for me and the boyfriend, right? And so we went, and I was there at the club.
Tracy,
Yeah.
you were catfishing?
Yeah.
Boy.
But this was before catfishing was a thing.
Oh, it's kittenfish.
I was like, yeah, kittenfish. Yeah,
I didn't even have High Five. What was High Five? High Five testimonials? I don't know. I would say Facebook.
Yeah, I mean, Facebook is so much more advanced, though. You know, it's like not even a. It's like.
Facebook is more advanced.
Yeah.
What brand foundation do I use today? I have on Born This Way. You know, see somebody tell me I look old and I age terrible, so maybe I should change my foundation. Alright, next one. Oh, I love this one. Piercing versus tattoo.
I'm always gonna go with a piercing. I have pierced so many places on my body.
Things, yes.
That like you don't even know. I actually don't even wear all of my ear piercings. So they actually pierced all the way up at one point, all the way to the top of my cartilage. I must have had like 16 ear piercings.
I remember when I pierced up here, and then that one took so long to heal.
Yeah,
and I remember when I finally took it out, I kept taking the phone, and you remember you have them big old block phones, like hello, and I kept slapping it on my ear. Oh, that was horrible. I've taken out quite a few of my piercings.
I had my eyebrows pierced.
Oh yes, that was so cool. I like that one. That was different because you didn't really see a lot of like, you know, like a brown girls running up and down with the eyebrow piercing.
I had an eyebrow piercing, yeah. I had my belly button pierced. I took that out. No.
Me too. I took out mine too.
Yeah. Scott said, take out your belly button piercing. I want to put it back in, but I just haven't. Maybe I should look for a piercing.
My skin over my belly button got very hooded and floppy after having children. And what I remember I had the hernia, and what Dr. Dawes did was he actually put a stitch in my belly button to connect it to the back. So no, my belly button doesn't look as saggy, but you can't really see the hole anymore, so I've just left it alone. Piercing. Yeah, I think you have to put too much thought into a tattoo. Like I'd have to think of what I want, where it's gonna go. With a piercing, it's like, oh, I don't like it, I take it out.
Yeah.
And I feel like I have an addictive personality. Like if I got one tattoo, I'm gonna get the whole damn sleeve. I'm gonna get the dragon going down the side of my BBL. I'd get the BBL and the dragon same time. And you have to get it to cover your scar right here as well.
I can't even imagine myself with a tattoo.
I don't know, there's this girl that has this dragon that goes down her waist and it's really cool.
Can't sign up for it. Can admire it on somebody else, but can't sign up for it for myself. Definitely not.
It's true, I really admire tattoos. Some people have some dreadful ones. But like you have some tattoos on some people, and especially on girls, and it's like, ooh.
Case 1876 is asking where your outfit is from. It's clearly you. It couldn't be my old bodysuit when we wear around 3 times.
You see what's in the tag?
CBR.
Oh, I ordered a long time ago from Chic Me. Chic Me Official or something like that. One of those like Chinese stores. And then it comes with this Adiba Diva shirt and it ties here. And then the shorts are so cool. I love the shorts.
Racine had a pair of shorts.
Everybody keeps saying they like the shirt, but I think the shirt.
She said Racine says this is a style in LA now. They cut out this. This is a style.
Yeah. See, and my dragon, I do like my dragon tattoo would have like a little piece right here, like a foot. And I'd be like, wow, check out that girl with her BBL and her dragon. No?
Can't sign up for it. I mean, as I say, if that's your
like one dragon foot in this hole, one dragon like my dragon holds me.
Your dragon hold.
Yeah, my dragon hold me. Jodi, stand up and let's see the outfit properly. Well, let me show YouTube. Let me show YouTube. I haven't showed YouTube yet. So YouTube will have this little shots here. So I'd be stylish in LA. And the style of the shots make me look like I have like a bit of front though.
We know that's a lie.
Yeah.
We know that's a lie.
Stop that, man. I should have put on my padding. So we just want to congratulate Claudine. She passed her police exam. Yay! good luck. We wish you all the best. Big up Styles, my little friend. I love you.
You saw Styles reading his books?
No, oh yes. So Styles likes reading in the evening with Remy. So Claudine will buy Styles some of the books. And but Styles, you don't like when I read the book better. Anyway. And Saucy Sass. Can I open the pots now? Are the pots for me? Grace is dying to open the box of pots.
What, it's downstairs?
It's downstairs in my cupboard. But you told me, oh, Saucy sent them for me. They're my pots. Meanwhile, Gracie, when Gracie saw the pot, she goes, thank Jesus we get new pots. I'm like, Gracie, we don't need new pots. Gracie's like, yes, man. And so I put them in the pantry, and then you were like, Saucy sent me 2 boxes of pots. That's my pots. So I'm going to go down there and tell Gracie the pots are for this house.
Anyway, Saucy, we want to thank you so much. You have been so kind.
So generous.
So generous.
If we complain that, oh, I'm not have enough panties, Saucy go buy us panty. If Tracy complain, I have terrible pots, she go buy pots. Then I complain, she get new pots, Saucy send me pots.
I want to also big up Sherry Al. She bought us some amazing Christmas presents that were so thoughtful, don't you think?
Yes, yes. Little bubble blower. Yes.
I was talking about the ones that she sent for me and you.
Oh,
The pictures
I got
on
the picture. Yes. I put that in the
family
dressing.
tree thing. Very sweet. Very, very, very sweet. Very sweet. Thank you so much.
Sorry, somebody says next topic. So we have YouTube or Google.
Definitely Google.
Really?
Yeah, yo.
Why?
Because YouTube videos sometimes are so long that when I want the information fast and readily, like I don't want to watch a 15-minute video about it. I just want to find the information right there, right then. Like sometimes with like especially with dealing with the baby, like my skincare line, can I use this? Because you can't use certain things like skincare lines anymore once you're pregnant. Like it was easy to just Google all the skincare lines that
I didn't think of that. A lot of people are saying Google, but that's because you haven't checked out my YouTube channel.
That Indian handbag was so cute, Jo.
Thank you, Chanel. Thank you.
It was really, really, really cute. Let me see
And
that.
if anybody sees me wearing it, I want you to be like, girl, I have on Chanel. Wow, expensive things.
Let me see it. Bring it. Let me come. Let me see. Yeah. I don't like how YouTube removed the dislikes though. I'm not gonna lie.
But I don't want to see how many people dislike me.
I liked it.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it was the same 4 people that come and dislike everything. So this is my little bag. And I made this on my last video on my YouTube channel. And I actually linked where you can buy the pieces so you can make it yourself. It was super easy. It was honestly, like even in the video, I'm like, this is it? This is so stupid and simple. It was a belt with this and then this with a chain. And then the chain I bought was it's a little chunky. You can also look for, oh, that looks so good with that. You can also look for another little chain, but this piece with the black bag was a find because the black bag is what really makes yeah.
Wow, Jo, this looks so good.
Thank you.
Can I have it?
No. All right, I'll make a different one for you.
But I don't want a Chanel.
You don't want Chanel. What you want? You want Gucci? You want Prada? You want Louis Vuitton?
No, I just want like nothing.
You're too boring, man. Take like a brand. What to you?
I don't like unless I'm being sponsored by the brand.
Chanel definitely sponsors me. What's it, channel? Okay, straight versus curly.
I really, really appreciate curly hair. I think it is beautiful. I tried with the curly hair, Jodi. I tried. And I think curly hair is beautiful and whatever, but I'm gonna have to go with straight because damn, I like brushing my hair. I like to brush through my hair, and I recently just keratined back my hair again because and it didn't go dead straight. It still has curl to it, but it's not as much. But I also don't like using product in my hair, and I found with curly hair
you need
I have to use a lot of product. So like the most product I will use is like a little bit of BioSilk or Frizz Ease. So for me, that's more than enough. So I'm always gonna go with straight hair.
I'm gonna go with curly hair because my head is so ras big that when I straighten my hair, my head looks like it go from here to my knees. My head looks really big when my hair is straight.
I don't like you with straight hair.
Really?
At all.
I look tough.
I feel it's like Jada Pinkett, like,
Oh yeah, Jada Pinkett, you mean bald versus hair?
No, I mean like, I feel it's like Halle Berry. You know, Halle Berry looks good with short hair. Goody,
Yeah.
you should always just rock the short hair. And then
Right,
when she
right.
wears the long hair, it's like, okay, nice
Yeah,
change,
nice.
but you're not as captivating.
Yeah.
I feel like that's with you. Like with the straight hair, it's okay, that's nice, but you're just not as captivating. Like with the curly hair, it's like, wow, you just look great.
Yeah. Do you think I should cut my hair?
To what?
Like, just like a change. I've been dying to cut my hair, like, short. I saw a really cute short cut the other day.
Absolutely not.
Okay, there we go. Did you bring your scissors to cut Remy's hair today?
No, leave her.
Tracy, I'm going to end up cutting it myself, you know.
I'll use the scissors that you have here. I just forgot. But leave her hair alone.
Just, I want it to, the curls to come in. Just
Jodi, it's not. Mommy cut my hair how many times and curls never came in. My hair thin like wow.
Yeah, but Tracy, look on your forehead. It's still not going to come in now anyway.
What are you talking about?
You just have a big head.
I found that my hairs have started to come in. Look at that.
That is true. That is true.
Look at that.
Okay.
Look at that.
All right. Well, if anything, just cut Remy's hair. Okay. Big boobies versus the itty bitty titty committee. Which would you rather be on?
I've only ever been on the itty bitty titty committee.
I like big boobs.
And when I was pregnant, I got onto the big boob committee. I just made it.
You were like on the cusp.
And
I like girls with big boobs though. I like big boobs.
oh, does Scott like boobs?
I don't know.
He clearly doesn't.
I don't think he likes boobs because he married you and your chest was as
He must
flat
like
as a
Bassy.
piece of lumberboard. No, we don't say like that. We don't say like that.
Oh.
No. Why? No. Shh. You they say Scott prefers a lady
thicker
with a
woman.
bottom. Yeah, you can't say Scott like Batty.
No. Scott prefers a lady with a big old
I like a
I do appreciate nice breasts though, but I can't deal with the running and then they're like.
all over the place. I don't run.
So when you work out, what you do?
You hold them.
You hold them? I
Yeah.
don't hold nothing. I can't work
I
out.
wear a bra. Okay, next versus beach or pool.
Definitely beach. Where pool drop in.
I don't know. Some people may not like sand.
So why you prefer beach or pool?
It's harder to get to the beach. It's more of an effort to go to the beach. You know what I mean? If I'm going to my pool or to a friend's pool, I can just grab the things quickly. I can run inside for the things. If I'm going to the beach, I have to pack up this. Then I know I'm going to have to call Bully to come and clean out the sand out of the car. Then it's going to be like, then you come home from the beach and you're already so exhausted. And now you have to clean everybody. You know what I mean? Davia says she doesn't like the sand, or sorry, they don't like the sand either. Beach. Like, I like the experience at the beach, but I just don't like the cleanup, man. You know how much sand which up in a choo-choo? It's enough, you know. They have to clean out the car.
I like the beach. I just feel like if you're going, you're gonna go have fun, you're gonna have a good time. Like you can't go inside. Sometimes with the pool, it's like, oh, I wanna go inside. Like if you go to the beach, you're gonna get a tan. You know?
Okay, so everybody can get a pool? Yes. You just get a bucket and you fill it up. You can get a pool. I don't know. I feel like a pool is, somebody's saying river. I haven't been to a river in so long.
River always cool.
That's true.
There's never a sunny river. Like the rivers are always shaded, so you're cool and then you're cool again. It's not like you're cool and warm, like you're just cold.
Okay. Next thing is, alright, so you have, you know when you have like prefab made, so let's say like an IKEA kitchen versus a carpenter made kitchen.
Sorry, I have to go back to beach first, but Irie me says, I'd rather smell the sea salt than the chlorine. I'm with you.
Okay.
I'm with you.
Okay.
Anyway, so you were saying no.
Prefab
Yeah.
or carpenter made? Jamaican carpenter.
I'm gonna have to go with prefab.
And it
I need
doesn't
to know what I'm
necessarily,
getting.
and it doesn't necessarily have to be IKEA. It can be like any form of pre-made.
I find when you go with prefab, you know what you're getting, and you know that it's going to match up.
Yeah.
Like when you go with a carpenter, you never know, and there's always
A delay.
There's always a delay. There's always these little micro problems.
Yeah. They don't treat the wood.
Yeah.
I don't know. Knowing what I know now, having to go through the building of this house, I would do more prefab.
Yeah, going through a carpenter is super, super, super hard. Like super.
And they always want to
then you know
make
what?
things off
And you know,
site.
with prefab, you can always get a replacement. When you use a carpenter, there's like no replacement. Like if you go through a company through prefab, you can be like, this doesn't work. This doesn't sit properly. This doesn't work. They can come in. They can be like, okay, take this out and give you a new one of that. You understand? When you go with a carpenter, it's just like, well, miss, you know, say the ground not level.
Yes, yes, the wall isn't level, the ground isn't level. Something is always not level. It could never be their work.
No.
Yes,
no.
okay,
so
yes.
I'm gonna have to go with prefab.
When some put the eyes, girl, you feel my pain on this one. I know what you're talking about. Watch your stir your juice, stir your juice. Okay, so then we have laptop or tablet.
I mean, I don't have either, to be honest with you. I know. I told you guys I'm not technology oriented. Like Jodi got a new laptop for Christmas and I was like, what are you using so much of a laptop for?
But every time you come in here, I'm on it.
You're always on your laptop. So, but if I was going to get one, I'd get a laptop because I feel like there's more usable features on a laptop.
Right. So I would use a laptop over a tablet for sure. What's everybody saying? I'm seeing a lot of laptop. There's certain things that you can only do on the computer, which right.
Exactly.
Oh, somebody said iPad. I have both. Okay, Jodi J. Okay.
Show off.
Wow, somebody's very laptop to Ras class.
Rick Rock 82.
Okay, he likes his laptop. I feel you. All right. Are there any more versuses that we could do?
Painted nails versus natural nails.
Painted.
Natural.
No. Painted.
Natural.
I have a natural painted color on, and Tracy finally have all like a nail polish today. The hand looks so good. You look rich. Wow, girl. Wow, look at that. Wow. Hand pose. Yes. I like that tree.
I did an ad over the weekend.
Oh, you did? Oh, very nice. You should do ads all the time so you can get your nails done. Who said natural nails? Share.
Yes. And
man.
Walter Nicolette.
No, come on, man. You have like a paint on there, even like a little shimmer color or something. I love a polished nail.
Win some 003. I think it's Ghost versus Celine Dion. Okay? Because that's a real competition there. And you know what? I'm going to have to choose Ghost, even though he sings over all of Celine's songs.
Because Ghost would be more accessible to get him to perform at your wedding. Where is Ghost?
He's waiting to do over my anniversary party in 2025.
I actually think he was accused of something not so great. I think he was the PD.
No, he was not. Stop it.
I think so.
Don't say things like that and you don't know for sure.
Oh, what happened to Ghost, everybody?
Don't say anything. Because guess what?
What?
He's gonna sing at my nuptials in 2025. I'm having like the big wedding that I never got to have.
Well, there is a thing that they've said that if you redo your vows, like vow renewals, bring bad luck.
What?
Yeah.
But I don't find it's redoing them. I find it's just like the wedding party I never had.
But would you be renewing your vows? I hear vow renewals are alleged. Oh, Slim Thing Shauna says alleged. Oh, thank you. That word is very important. Alleged.
Then it's not true.
Okay. I don't know at all. Okay, this one was a good one. Target versus Marshalls. Target.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to Target because Marshalls, you don't know what they're gonna have. Like Marshalls is just based on what was not.
It's
sold.
overflow.
Okay. It's like an overstocked, right? So it's just based on that. And Marshalls actually is not online either because it's just an overflow.
Oh, yeah, but you can get better prices in Marshalls, but you can't.
Yeah, but you can't go there every time and say, oh, this time I'm going to get like this phone there. At Target, they will always have this phone. At Marshalls, they may not have
I think I've been into Marshalls like maybe a few times, but Target, like if I travel to the overseas where you pay $300 for your haircuts and don't want to pay that hair, I always have on my list a Target to go to.
Yeah, Scott was saying the other day that he wants to go to Miami, you know. And then we were drinking that night. And,
And then when your friend said Target has grocery stores too, so you could go to a super Target. And yeah, right. Target has way more to offer. Target, stupid one. That was a stupid one. Who brought that up?
So we were drinking one night, right? And Scott goes, I need to get out of here.
The deals are good.
I need to go to Miami. He's like, baby, I'm calling. I'm going to book a ticket for Miami right now. I'm booking a ticket for Miami right now. Are we going or not? And I was just like, sure, no problem. Let's just talk about it in the morning. Let's just talk about it in the morning. The next morning I wake up and I'm like, the cases of corona are, do you really want to go away right now? Let me tell you, I don't like putting that thing up my nose.
I don't mind. Our insertion for me is easy.
True something always.
Tracy, it's just a little tickle right here. You're probably...
I don't like it.
You're putting it up too high. You must, it's not that bad, Tracy. They like an antigen test for you to travel. I think a better one would have been somebody said Target versus Walmart.
I haven't been to a Walmart
I'm so scared to go into Walmart.
I used to go to Walmart all the time.
But in Canada, the Walmart in Canada is nice. The Walmart in the States, you can book up some scary things. Okay, the other one is sandals versus sneakers. Sandals. I'm a sandals girl.
Sneakers.
What?
Yeah.
Tracy, what? Well, yes, with your toes, definitely.
No. And that's why you have to go for a pedicure once a week, because the sandals, them dry out your toes.
How do the sandals dry out my toes? The environment dries out my toes.
Put up your foot back, make we see it. Put up your foot back, make we see it. Okay, watch how it crusty.
That's because I had a fungus.
Because you expose it in the sandals. No fungus and no crust. It's just pure softness.
Tracy, no. Your toes have to breathe.
What are they breathing for? They need to just stay in the moisture.
No, that's how I got the fungus then.
No, because you don't own the sneakers. You only wear sandals and expose your heel back. That's why your heel back, chaka. Put it down, girl.
Okay, but I'm going to get rid of the fungus and then my heel back will be nice and soft.
Alright, anyway, just fungus it up again.
No, sandals. You have so many nice different sandals you can get. Yes. You can get like a nice designer sandals for cheap.
She have fungus, my friends. Fungus upon her foot. I see every week she want to come and talk to me, but my toe them, my good up natural.
No, just because your toes are natural. No,
I fungi. No, fungi. We need to just zip it, fungi.
I will take the fungus over
Fungulator.
Your toes look like
I'm natural.
Fine, okay, next one. Gas stove over electric stove.
Why the gas stove cheaper, you know?
Rotted, I need to order a cylinder.
I have an electric stove right now and that's where my bill come from.
Oh, really?
Doggy! Scott and I live like moles in the house. We don't even have lights in Stevie's room. There's one standing light if you're going to Stevie's room.
But a gas cylinder, so for 100-pound cylinder, it works out to be about $9,000? $9,700. What you think? And you're always cooking.
Always cooking. My house is... Mommy is like, there's never anything to eat at your house. And I'm like, there's so much stuff to eat, but you have to cook everything. Like, my house is a cooking house. It's a cooking house. Like, there's no fast food at my house. There's no, like, warm-up nuggets.
Gas, JPS nugget, no more. For real. Okay. Next one. Fusion lashes versus strip lash.
You know, I'm a lash girl, but I've had to abstain from the fusion lashes, right? So I'm going to have to say I love the fusion lashes, but number one, it takes a lot of time to put them on, and a lot of lash artists are not quick. So there's only one lash artist I know, and it's Manny. And Manny can do my full set of lashes beautifully in 1 hour. Done.
Yeah.
I've gone to other lash ladies or lash people, and it's like 2-3 hours, and I'm like, dude, who has this time to lie down here for 3 hours like this? So if I'm gonna get my lashes done, I'm gonna go to Manny.
Yeah,
absolutely, 100%. Me not hitch, right? But then I like them because you wake up and you look like that. So if you're a single lady and you're on the prowl, right, it's always nice when you wake up and you Hey, good morning. And you
Wow,
look so good.
Wow.
You know?
Okay, single
Whereas,
ladies.
but it's true. Whereas if you're married and thing, then them know so that's not your lash. Them know so that's not. So you can't get the strip lashes.
I'm sorry,
And
Sean does
it's
not know.
cheaper. Sean knows.
I prefer a strip lash because I find the fusion lashes take so much care. I think it really depends on the woman and the eye shape and the presentation. You know, I'm not just the one putting fake lashes, but they do look like at me. So I prefer a strip lash just because I also like to grease up my eye in the night. I like to put on all of these things.
Yes.
So to me, the care for the fusion lashes is way too much. I prefer a strip lash.
Like you can't use your wrinkle cream if you're doing fusion.
Right.
So you have to choose. You're getting wrinkles or I'm going to keep my fusion safe.
So it says fusion annoying AF. I agree. But I love when I have them in, but I know it's going to be
But
like
I do it for an occasion. Like I'm going away to St. Lucia and I'm going to take pictures by the volcano and I want to look good. You know, I'm going to definitely use it.
Wow, okay. I do remember I went to another lady to do my lashes, my fusion lashes.
This face thing that you have is really suiting your skin though, Joe.
What facing?
The base.
Oh, thank you. It's a born this way with a little loose powder.
You might put on you.
She did I fell asleep and I woke up after an hour and she's like, okay, the other eye. And I was like, I was almost ready to cry. I was like, why didn't you do a little bit? But if she had done a little, I would have left.
Yeah.
She did one whole eye and then moved over to the other.
I can't deal.
Fusion thins out natural lashes.
Yes,
Friend
it
in
does.
the season. Oh, who can tell me what fusion is? Sorry, Fitz. So, you take one little lash and you use a special glue and you attach it onto your one little lash. Whereas
So it's 1 for 1 lashes.
Right. So then now the other lash is on the strip. Very easy. On one strip, you put some glue, you slap it on, you're good to go. But that comes off at the end of the night when you wash your face. The fusion lashes stay on for like, you need a refill after 2 weeks. All right. What's another versus? Okay. Wig versus lace front. Or is it
wig versus lace?
Okay, so a covering wig or the half wig?
But
Or you
I'm
put
going
one-
to go with half wig because my hair is good. So I can...
There's no such thing as good hair, first of all.
Okay, Chris Rock says there is. Have you never watched his video?
Yes, I did.
It was hilarious.
Yes, but I don't
It
like...
was hilarious. It was hilarious. So,
Your hair is manageable for a half wig.
yes.
That's what you should say.
My hair is manageable for a half wig.
Right.
According to Chris Rock, I have good hair.
So if I was to wear a half wig, what would happen to me, especially if it's straight, is it would start to frizz up at the front. So then you'd start to see the demarcation. And as a matter of fact, sometimes in my pictures when I wear the half, you can see that the color of my hair is a little darker in a flash than the bottom. So I think I would prefer a full lace front. Thank you, Lou. Good hair is healthy hair. Thank you. Half wig or headband wig? I prefer a headband wig. You know, you have to hold down the roots. Because my hair or your hair or my hair is different from the wig. So I have to do something to kind of keep my hair down.
Well, you see, this is a thing. So when you're wearing wigs, right? You have to be able to, and you're wearing like a wig that your natural hair is going to come through or something like that. Your natural hair has to be able to match the gloss, the porosity, and the style of the wig hair. So Jodi and I have very different types of hair. My hair is a lot straighter than Jodi's, and my hair sits better with a blow dry or styling than Jodi's. It doesn't frizz as much. So I find that for styles in styling half wigs and stuff like that, I can do that, whereas Jodi can't. And another reason why Jodi can't do that is because heat damages curls tremendously. So Jodi wears her hair curly 100% of the time. So if she's wearing a straight wig and pieces of her hair are setting loose or coming out, especially around the front, she's gonna take so much heat to straighten those pieces around the front. Now she's at risk of heat damage. Is it worth it for one night of straight back hair to have heat damage all over the front? Personally, I don't think so. So whereas I might wear a half wig, I think to myself, okay, I can do that because I can blow dry it straight and it's going to stay straight. Jodi can't do that. So a lace front for Jodi is what is always going to be best, where for me, I can do something that's half. So I really feel that you have to understand your hair, your porosity, your texture to determine what is going to be a better fit for you.
And this is from the retired So I see some really good ones in the comments. So tongue ring versus lip ring. Tongue ring.
Tongue ring.
Tongue
I had
ring.
a tongue
I had a
ring.
tongue ring too. I remember we had ours really early, you know, like when I came home from Europe with mine, people were like, watch a like a freaky gal. I was like, yeah. And mine was gold.
Yeah.
I had gold with a big diamond at the top of
I
mine.
had gold with a diamond too.
You had my gold with a diamond.
Okay, I followed you. I followed you. Okay, I followed you.
Best believe when I swallowed that diamond, I was shitting in a sieve. Alright, next one.
She pooed in a Ziploc bag and would go
Squashed
through her
it out.
poo to find the diamond tongue ring. This is not a lie. This is not a lie. And then she found it.
Thank
about
God.
4 days in.
Yeah, I was shitting in Ziplocs for a while.
And I want to let you know that when you poo in a Ziploc, it is steamy.
It's hot. Doo-doo is hot. I guess because the insides are hot. So when they used to call me hot girl.
She had to set free the steam before she zipped it up to like run through it.
You've never lost something in your shit before?
No, Joe.
You've never swallowed something that you've had to like look for?
No.
What?
Because you'd have to put something in your mouth that I'd have to look for, and I'm not exactly putting things in my mouth.
But even if you were to accidentally swallow like your tongue, you have to make sure it comes out.
Yes, and you did. You're a healthy young lady.
I remember when there was a child who swallowed something at school when I was working at the preschool, and I had to like, the parents said they'd swallowed a coin at home, and they were like, if the child passes any poo at school, can you look for it or save the diaper? And I was like, okay, and I you know, squish out with the wet wipe to find the poo, to find the coin. You have to make sure those things come out. Sorry.
Iris says, thankfully I had lunch already. I know, right?
Then you put back in your mouth? Not right away.
No, we had to disinfect it.
We had to boil it. We had to clean it out. We had to take it to, yeah man. Are you kidding? I had to take it to, there we go. Had to take it to the jeweler, make sure that it's cleaned out. Yeah,
they had to do all of these things.
Yeah, okay. I know it sounds gross, but I did not but it put it right back in my mouth.
I think alcohol can't help that.
Okay, next one. Answer the question. I don't know what one. Cremation versus burial.
So I'm gonna go with cremation because, like, environmentally friendly, cremations are more environmentally friendly, and I feel that, like, honestly, I respect everybody's choice of what they decide to do. This is my personal opinions. I respect everybody's choice, but I feel like burial, like, it takes up a lot of land space, and in developing communities, it's very spooky to live beside a graveyard. You know what I'm saying? And like,
it lessens the value of the properties all around within the area.
Yeah, and it's very spooky to live beside a graveyard. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
It's on top of lessening the value of the property all around. So those properties around in that area could never elevate themselves to become, you know, better. And then, like, even when you want to regentrify an area, you can't, like, a lot of people have, like, it's like Cholera Roundabout, where, like, you know, I don't know if you guys know, but where the new Fontana is on Waterloo Road, that was actually a mass burial site for people who had cholera. So when they decided to dig up that place to build Fontana, you know, it was very controversial because they were like, you can't dig up grave sites.
Meanwhile, everybody who did a complain about it and feed them with the dopey, them walk in a Fontana, go buy them Starbucks though.
Yeah, so I mean, I don't think it was something that was thought of back in the day, and I do appreciate grave sites now because I do think there's something to them in terms of, like, spookiness and, you know, just having that kind of difference in, like, the outer worlds and whatever. I love that whole entire Halloweeny, you know, scary vibe and stuff. So I agree with that. But, like, now that we have a lot more going on with us in society, I think cremations are great, but burials are a part of our like culture. Jamaicans love a burial. They love the whole grave site. They love all of that.
I feel like the whole the process of a funeral in Jamaica is very sacred, and I believe So I
Oh
would
wow! Who you love? Are you it says Tricky's Corner? Wow, we almost forgot.
Tricky's Corner, and it is 2:30.
Wow, I was getting away.
No, your Tricky's Corner was your burial, girl.
That was
your burial gone. Don't let your burial grave.
Alright.
Yeah.
No, 6 foot under.
Guys, this was so great. I love this. I love these verses. Maybe we could do another one sometime soon.
Yeah.
But until then, you can catch a repeat over on our YouTube channel. Make sure you check it out. You can also check out the links to the items that I use to make this Chanel bag. You can make any bag you want. You can get Gucci. You can get Louis Vuitton. You can get Hermes. Oh, what you want? $5. $5. Alright, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. And we hope you have a lovely rest of the week. And we shall see you next week, Tuesday.
Oh, Saucy is done. See you
Hi,
there. Hi, Saucy.
Big up yourself. Guys, make sure you subscribe. And we love you. This was fun. I think so too. Bye.